In the last slide, we saw sample data. And here we'll learn how to compute a sample mean. A sample mean pretty much just means that it's the total of variables over n, the sum of variables over n, I can see in that sample. N, which represents the total number of samples. As you can see on this slide, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 total number of samples, and we add the number of samples together: 100, 110, plus 114, plus 121, plus 130, plus 130, plus 160, which give us a total of 865. So to find the sample mean, we take the total number of data, 865, and we divide by the number of data sets, which is 7. And the answer will be 123.6. In the previous slides, we calculated the sample mean. Now, as we continue, we'll learn how to calculate the standard deviation. Now, there are different ways of doing this. We can do this on Excel, or we can do it with a calculator. Now here, as you can see on the table, so the data set, 100, 110, 114, so forth, until 160. We put in one column. And the next thing we do is we do a subtraction. So we subtract 100 by the sample mean, which we have calculated in the previous slides. So 100 minus 123.6, and that gives negative 23.6. 110 minus 123.6, which gives us negative 13.6, and so forth and so forth. And on the next slide, we will use the squared. So we'll square what we found. So x minus x bar, which is the mean, will be squared for each of those variables. And then there will be added together. And so for the first one, for instance, it's negative 23.6 squared, which gives us 556.96. And as we continue, it's added together for a total of 2,247.72. Now, after finding this, we will divide it by the number of data set minus 1. Number of data set from the previous slide at 7, so when we count them, 7, so 7 minus 1, which gives us 6. So for the sample variance, s squared, which equals the total of x minus x bar squared, which is 2,247.72, divided by 6, which gives us a number of 374.6. On this slide, then, from the sample variance, we're just using the square root here, so the square root of the variance to give us our standard deviation. So square root of 374.6, which equals 19.4, which is your standard deviation. And then to do a standard summary of the data, n equals 7, that's your number of data sets, and the x bar represents a sample mean, which is 123.6, and the standard deviation 19.4.